Hello everybody, and we have an exploded meat. Yeah. That's basically what's happening in my house. Just making some dinner, then pow! Meat goes all over the place and it's on the door. For some reason. So, yeah, I don't know how it happened. I just heard a big noise. So, off of that topic, I'm just going around. It's snowing outside and it's really big and heavy. And then just watching FGTV and watching the Bean Boozled challenge. I want Bean Boozled, so then I can do my own challenge. So yeah, basically that's what's going to happen on the channel. So yeah, I am just going to end this episode here, right, Sarah? Right? Yeah. So I'm just going to end it here. So, yeah, that's the end of RyGuy360 vlog for today. Goodbye.